Hey everybody, it's Mr. Giles with a tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create channel art for your YouTube channel. Now this is not going to go into how to upload it onto YouTube. We're actually just going to talk about creating the artwork and what you need for that. So if you're looking for how to get it up to YouTube, you're going to have to look for another video on that maybe in the future. But first you're going to need this resource, http://bit.ly Y2B 2019. So you just type that in, you hit enter. It's Google Drive. I've saved it and I made it public. And what you're going to do is you are going to click the download button and you're going to save it. If you're in my class, I suggest saving it to your H drive. If you are in at home, you can save it to your downloads. But I suggest saving it. I'm going to put it in my Paint.net folder. I'm going to save that. Okay, so there's my YouTube channel art template. Now we're going to go in to Paint.net. I'm going to go File, Open. I'm going to open that file that I just saved. It's called YouTube channel art template, wherever you saved it. If you're in my class in your H drive. And this is a template. This is what this means. Okay, when I make my artwork, and if I fill this whole screen with my artwork right now, for example, people on desktop and mobile, they will only see what's inside this dark gray area. So your design needs to fit that area. But the YouTube channel can be seen on televisions, on iPads, on tablets, on desktop computers, and they have a lot more space. So if you'll notice, the TV is this big, huge space, and people will make a mistake of designing their design to fill that whole 2000, because this is 2560 by 1440. You want to make it so that all of your cool stuff is right here, because if it's in this area, the 1546 by 423, everyone in the world on any device is going to be able to see your design. So I started an idea here, and I'm going to show you how I did this. One, I'm going to put I put this layer on the top, okay, and if you double click on the layer, you get this option to change the opacity. And I'm going to zoom it out, and you're going to see that my cool channel name is all inside that square, right? And you can even see the face of the character for the channel. So, and then if that would be cut off, it would look like this. In fact, let me crop it so you can see. I'm going to use the cropping tool here, and I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to highlight. Let's see here. I think I can just do the whole picture. I'm going to highlight just around this area, just so you can see what it would do. I'm going to crop it out, hitting the crop button, and then I'll turn off that layer. That's what people would see at the top of a channel. So for example, recently my friend teaches guitar. It's Sean Hall Guitar, and this picture here, if you look at the big picture, there's these guitars that fill the whole screen, and then right in the middle it says Sean Hall Guitar. But these giant guitars are like, you know, on a TV set, you'll see them like the guitar sticking out. But in this particular instance, we got the most important part, which was his name and some guitars. So you need to think about what your channel is all about and what you want to put in there. Choosing a cool font, making sure that people can read it, making a background. I tend to vote for simpler backgrounds so they don't distract from your design. But this is all the things you need to get started on making your design. And I'm going to hit Control-Z undo because I want to go back to the full size here. And you do want it to look good on a TV. So you could add extra things to the outside, but you want all the most important things to be visible right in the middle. So that's what's most important about using a template. So I hope that's helpful, and have a great day.